enti said ya Ghana say sisi no so oye panyini aye de oman ni sika de tua woka nessa asem bada wa hwe kasa bu yi a said you obesi ate no asum no enya wo de be ka be chelo uko media na so busia interior minister na tu atwi media na so must start can be part of the efa enra comparison bi ogina Ghana Parliament comparing Ghana to California kire mu say oh atoranchem ebi tu obi a even kwa na California o economy no so sene kura sene Ghana be kura no atoranchem tu wo mu ema nipa wuye ti Ghana de ye normal enso no na bo kan no media no so omo abe clash with ono na omo bobo ma adwen pa e de kire no be ma nkire mu no akire wa adwen e de ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah block media mess ra say ni de mu over like video no that my subscribe button some back click verification connect for the latest update na be kire wa adwen de ama me e wo comment section oba so a no a share for so anya bia hwe na me kan fo nala money send app e de ama nala for say for me promo code Penyah TV send iska ekofie na omu ncha o eku $20 hey this offer eye nala nko a 206 o sa omu ho a uruti kwa kura jem now you know o send this kind so there eye jojo na koduru fie sometime unya boss send no so na pa on frɛ nipa no ofie no o se chade be da say scan wa be duru ono kra na be frɛ ansa kra no wa frɛ no emu na ne asa che $20 for free. Let's go to the story. Abusia onim oye neni preacher kase abo e wa Ghana na etu try because Gmet asa e the report about say Accra Reneba any castle they should expect heavy rainfall on Friday. Has it Friday 3rd July 2026 almost they should expect heavy rainfall. As I speak to you now no there Accra baby aboma because ensu baller na gu nsuo ni mo no akochoki oblages na se amesia de Accra baby aboma ezensuo no toka kra bi de ne ebe ya asempa ogana ama ani abenya na this flooding na akoso Ghana hanum Accra mpatem honum na yese obi supermarket are ho emu ne manyina se emo na esichire gum condemn Yesu mi jifu ama obi tunton freight enso na ko wura store ho no mako yi fridge ni na egu abontene asema tume wa bade be ba ya wo asema tume wa bade be ya wo
ni be ko otio fiji mo a ni be ko so enipa be o mo jina ya ma ko yo mo jina obi ani we be ko nso nkwa o so aja krafa be be ma pie
oh emoya o abusia emoya ya pa emoya o imagine say wa bobra pa wonye ska so ni no wanum na wa bobra bie supermarket wakɔgye loan ana mo di dwa kɛsɛ loans nko a na supermarket pa na nsuo abɛyɛ wuse ya me do nyame se nipa nso mu a wa ha bɛfa atirimu me ka me kyerɛw wa nya nkuranhyɛ nsɛm bi wa ha bɛfa atirimu na wo fridge wo bɛbɔ dam ade asi akran de ani enyan na na Ghana fo agya yɛpɛ nkuranhyɛ nsɛm bi ɛne nsɛm bi ate afie mpanimfo nanum the way forward they say oyeden enya to Ghana atoranchem no enya to Ghana what is the way forward ade ba ade enhyehyɛ bɛy ɛna mo de gu akwam entenra no ɛna de nkɔmɔ no ekopie mu Ghana Parliament na ɛhɔ no mo no ana the Interior Minister Honorable Muntaka Mohammed also join naso ɛna ne ɔma Ghana for an account of the flooding that happened here no ɛna okire mu the casualties recorded enipa dodo a ayera ɔmo mu wuye adan ahodo a ebubuye ɔma ye nyina ho account kyerɛkyerɛ mu de ɛkɔ so na ne nkomo mu no ana obɛkyerɛ mu sɛ oyate committee ye gina the act 927 ɛso ate committee a ɔmo ɛbɛhwɛ flooding we no ɛbɛhwɛ ayan hyehyɛ so that there will be a proper drainage system any the way forward and name meeting that go commission meeting that go come so that this flooding no e be happen biem another should a flooding happens kra na the ebetimi aye ara say even in case say e be crazy a efa impofiri mu a the ebetimi aye e dey cool down the situation no was say omate committee na ne nkasa nto aso no e no okoye comparison bi oyinu say ye free 31st December 2024 e be ra 1st January 2025 ni mo no there was a disaster eja eto California US Montana so ema ehye to aso be 4-5 days solid no mu ntimi no mu ja no ema we be ya torenchem kese e California krodu ema enu achi kra no na ensuo ni bi ase edane kokko ase ensuo ni bi dane ase moja bi sa ema later there was a flooding just say America de na omaso ayehye pa 2025 no omaso ayehye pa sa do na esi ye no eno ana enra Muntaka Mohammed agent Ghana Parliament address Ghana for on the flooding na cause so akra no eno o kire mu say ahweye de eni betimi ya hweye but atorenchem atorenchem ka se beto a emfa woni ahweye a obeye efi say even America kra no en omo California as a California nko agina ho no mu a over the world economy California is the biggest economy omo kra no despite omo expert omo sanitation agency any expertise omo ewo any nimde ni nyansa omo nyina achi sika omo nyina achi no there was a disaster ema nipa wuye it is a bia to Ghana enye news.
Disasters will always come. It is how prepared you are that will determine the minimum the amount of loss that may be occurred. Because Mr. Speaker, today, and I'm saying it not to water down the effect, but just to draw all of us attention that America is the richest country in the world. And one of its richest states is California. California state is the richest state in America. In fact, standing on its own is the sixth largest economy in the world. Yet they had disaster and people lost their life. But they have all the money, they have all the measures.
Honorable, the Ufio Nkomo. Honorable, yesterday what they did you. I had the Ufio Nkomo. Can Ufio ask them the Ufio Nkomo? Because American president and I said no minister in America and the BBC no kasa about Ghana so the Ghana be comparison. See that. The Ufio Nkomo. The SCA na yempe solution. And for you go to America home. Because our to American as at now, what is here say America is struggling. America is going through financial crisis because of the CA. No, Chelsea can't handle solve BBA. But Ghana, the SC way no. A Benjamin Susan Soboni woman is for my Asobayashi. Na sound come na. And no interim is a code in Ghana Parliament. And no, I don't was na Edia Sebu could Ghana, young penny free. Why are they so insensitive? Omse Castle kind there. Sebi. It makes sense.
In fact, my Honorable Muntaka, who yell papa, the Interior Minister. In fact, I saw a video in Parliament. I say, in so urina is see one crying and run. And ya de Kesibia, Nampo American po, in so yuri esiho. Muntaka, one hour back, and now 7 periods. Ojere and Obusani be a friend She said, "No, more frank and Kitty or Mubu Yanwa." And Kababe catching and say, "In so you know, and yashi. A month for my ewu. Sabi ye a month for my in soon either for Mama woo. Over catching Ghana for say. In so you know, and yashi if even American po in so you is your honorable Muntaka Mohammed. At least I bring a month for en soon. And Kajana Nipa Honkakra. And Kajana Nipa Honkakra. But unfortunately, and I'm saying this, and Casaman, you come in the Pamountain. What's independent a war gun and yashi if it's American po in so yiri esivo. Excuse me, this is senseless. Sabi way, Yanse Bieni. Namutaka saw us back to Parliament. No, we withdraw that statement now making. It is senseless.
And then and we are where we are today. Let's be honest. Na adia yemu ya kesiye aseba Muntaka koka ne Parliament. Udeti no Muntaka aseba koka ne Parliament. Na me ya mitie no a me say enti do you even care?
The world. And one of its richest states is California. America is the richest country in the world. And one of its richest states is California. California state is the richest state in America. In fact, standing on its own is the sixth largest economy in the world. Yet they had disaster and people lost their life. But they have all the money, they have all the measures. America is the richest country in the world. And one of its richest states is California. California state is the richest state in America. In fact, standing on its own is the sixth largest economy in the world. Yet they had disaster and people lost their life.
And Muntaka say America ewo sika pa. Enso California ensuo yiri ho. Ti de opeso wo kire ye nyina ne say ensuo yiri ha. Enya de enwanwa, nya de esu ye yi bia. That is what he wants to tell us. California ensuo ayiri ho. Entino ayiri ho pen ntino se ayiri Ghana enye news. That's what Muntaka wants to say. But aden mantis what the death toll no nipa ewu California na ka ho. Ena mantis se wa kire se California din sem hu ti said ye di ni Ghana hey. Because no politician in California, no politician in America, and a better wetland, baby a ensuo fa, baby a yafro, na wakasi will sit down the sin suo kwem, and see what California. Woman in Yansa, and see what. Because your conditions are my flooding, no, it is not the same as California. Muntaka, if you don't know. If you don't know, na mechre am won say what someone wo kanankasa no you don't know the vision of John Dramani Mahama. Muntaka, you don't know the vision of John Dramani Mahama, and you don't think like him. I will show you why I'm saying that. What any John Dramani Mahama de enko California, no one will build in waterways. California obi ankoma permit senko omo forest reserve ne those things no wo ha obi nkotu mining wo mubu nwia na yenton achimota baby to say achimota forest in family man politicians. No politicians will buy forest reserves like achimota near the adesi ekosisi dan wo. Nobody will do that. Ramsey site California, no politician in California will be allowed senko obesisi dan wo sa amia we. And you don't do that comparison at all. Muntaka, don't do it. That was below belt because the conditions that led to California disaster no and answer flooding no and yet the same as Ghana. What happened in California? Me can say natural disaster. Ours is man-made. Yen same who and amadi AC because we allowed it through corruption and greed. Sika yemfanko clear gata muno na obi edi yemfa nya adwuma no. Municipal and district assemblies metros no yentete gatem says can ye sanitation no na yehu de ebeye say mampani so the sanitation as assemblies in nsa ya akohwe hwe wo no nso hwe gatem what are the assembly doing je no mo ye Uriade ko compare California. No municipal or district or metro will be allowed to misbehave. Said yeah, municipalities near metros ne ya wahano. Sanitation yam fa ho nsem nya hwe no. So don't compare at all. Instead of you to hold institutions accountable, na ya kasa sebe. Ensem wa nimdie wom, ensem we mo dunyansa wom. This is what we are doing. We don't even value the lives that we've lost. Say California esi wo inti esi wa ha. How? We've lost life and properties. Is everything okay? John Dramani Mahama. Ebra ensuyiri no ohun se esi no aye. Or the helicopter edam wiem e kohwe se die na esi die na to manfo. And then John Dramani Mahama nkasa yemu no. He never actually said say California si wo honti we no natural disaster nti John Dramani Mahama blame yen yankasa ye dwumadi a yen ni ye o mamu na amanaba. This is John Dramani Mahama enra tie Muntaka tie Mahama de all catch us de de flood na bae no tie Mahama Frank it fatu sumami or say there be not this one. Mahama blames climate fatu sumami or say Mahama blames climate change, blocked drains and unplanned development for Accra flats. 81 ewiemu nsakyra ya ba yagitum say no said ewiemu ye no ensuo no de ebetoto pa but we say ye drains baby a ensuo no fa ye gutters ni ade no emu asisi ensuo no ntimi nko na ntimi ma eka ho bi Mahama na eka say or say unplanned development on mine no yanyini nyanhyehyɛ pa say ye kɔ yanimi adan si a yesie ye besi ni bia ye kyekyekye mu say ha yensi dan ha yenfa schools ye yenye say a ye behyehyɛ ni ye kama yenye gata say say yi wo miamia no yenye ne saa na mampanika yen plan development town and country planning poor. That is what Mahama is saying. But what was a California flood into Hanoma flood and Yashi. Yanoma Huna ye be to say we no no. Mahama na boss no and a dear flood ya brain. So Muntaka, if you don't know, Mahama has explained why we had a flood. And as interior minister, I expected you to know better. Yet bibia na just ya because what is the opposition for no blame abanya what so say as a flood and yam fan shenunti and also abeka bibi afri abrochire dia bantina say abe equalize it because you are politicizing bibia. But let's not rewrite history. Yet kromwa John Dramani Mahama blame Akufuado for flats ensu eyiri John Dramani Mahama blame Akufuado kromwa.
Come to London, you see the canals in the city. If you go and build a house in that canal, where will the water go? It will go back into people's houses. Unfortunately, Nanan Misramu, our traditional rulers are selling plots in streams. And so when the water comes, what is left cannot contain the water. And so it will overflow and flood people's houses. That's our problem. And part of the problem is the local councils. If you come to London, you see the canals in the city. If you go and build a house in that canal, where will the water go? It will go back into people's houses. Unfortunately,
and the utienwa say ekosisi adan no ewo baabi ensuo fa eye dan ya ensuo no beyiri John Dramani Mahama then. Now NDC 31st May 2019 NDC blames Akufuado for deadly floods in Accra. John Mahama and criticize Akufuado. Mame next one on the Facebook say that will be his ex page. Now also the recent heavy downpours in Accra and other parts of the country have led to extensive destruction of properties, and according to reports the loss of life of a young schoolboy. Nebia Lusu life areho. Also this has exposed the government's failure to manage and prevent floods effectively, and evokes deep concern about its lack of a comprehensive flood prevention and management plan. John Dramani Mahama no was say adan na Akufuado edi 27th May 2024 flood eba in the year 2024 mu no o se sa flood na na ekoso kakra kra no ada edi se Akufo-Addo ne na ban omum plan yi e manage flood yi enti se Muntaka wote sa ansem we bi so obi so blemu aban out that does not warrant say obetumi akofa California beto ya yampia wa ha wa bra ye plan say kwan ben ye befa so solve problem no because we have already played politics with it even in opposition and ye dia beduru ha. This is bad and it is a reckless statement from a minister. And yeah, papa, because this does not solve the problem. This does not solve the problem, Muntaka. Yeah, what cannot and solve a problem, no. The evidence is right in front of us. Say, one, Yansha ye gutters in plastics near dear won't filter gum near dear. MMDS next year, now in charge of sanitation, so what are they doing? Let's hold them accountable. Buildings and waterways, no one am permit, no. Let's hold them accountable. We must punish offenders. So it be a politicians in TNT mean come because when we sika we seen what ensure kwan so kura wa feel it. That nonsense must stop. Na sa no many nyina etwa ebema yetimi ade ho. What is this? As a leader, you should speak responsibly, seriously about this issue. Now you say we are concerned about the lives being lost. What is this? Ko Japan, ko China, they've planned well. Japan means we yiripa, but they planned well. Fatosuma for Japan, the domu drainage kakraka insu timi fam kama. Insu timi fam for Japan the no mame. She drainage a year and enya abrosign woman is gata pa ni aye ne san because insu no my gata ne kakraka. Tinsu ni fam a enam kuro na se na de ko na ko jai egu insu kesim ne ko. Ba ye hehwe ya na de ha na bre yen ye hei hwe na just say time. We are not serious as a country. We are not serious as a country. And Muntaka, you need to apologize to Ghanaians for that statement I'll make here. It's very reckless. Nipa Shiromukwa, we want to hear something better. You have insulted the intelligence of Ghanaians. Too bad. Too bad. And I agree with University Teachers Association, UTAC. All those involved, right from land use control, responsible so sense baby I ton baby I punish physical planning, yen starting yet papa building approvals yen Adai. And yansua ye sit down and ne papa na ne dan ye no ube refie no nyina watale. It is space be anywhere in suokura gu fie ni mu a ebe no nom akọ. One idea ya de kire said ensuo no be famu abai enti ensuo no hwe se wusi dan no a mesrew ya ma anwea enwo fie wo kakra wai ma ye hu fem kakra se be ye ensuo ba wo fie wo a ebetumi anya ba bia nonom ya sementi ye fie nyina twa ho ahia ene wo hyem enti ensuo no be gumu a entimi nonom aside from see a two baller ediagu gata mu no these are some of the your construction works enya papa haye. Because there is poor supervision, institutional supervision, bibi anko ye. Enti no nipa ni sikura no a just say nothing. Okoje permit ade oye bi obi anko hwebiem. Awu fie we said ya ye no. Papa ni fie ni inside wa tum nyina. Enti nsuo ni nya ba bi kura no nom. These are the solutions. Yen de silte ye gates no immediately. Assembly bia district municipal assembly gates bia mu atwoku bia yen district a weekly, it shouldn't be monthly, weekly assembly no wo mu ni sa adwuma no na yen provided dustbins across all the communities na na utimi nam kromu pe ba bi kra de ball ato unya dustbin krani o je so kwosire obi store na wo de ato ne diem yen sanitation court and prosecute offenders wo mu di say adwuma to ball agu ya na nsama fo no kura de ne yema mu de na ekoso yemfo ma adwuma yi ana wo mu ho na mo mu nya adwuma. Let's see them can ye be sama wonti usuro kura se ofie ni mu egura begu obi di begu okura be pam no. What is happening? We must start from somewhere. Aya na areho ya na areho yete wa we ya kan di ntia mani abri yete wo nesia ebi besesi nesia omunja konhwe ebi besesi ye mompa ye bone bat wo ban we no yesu ne ye ban ne ya dwene na bibia dia ya amanyose me se yete ha we say the same thing because June 3 no so on 3rd of June no ye kan sa asem we ya amanfo su ye bonwom areho eba amampanimfo ni bi mpanimfo bi ye so o mo tini su ye nsu ahwe. We'll come back to the same story next year if we don't change. Areho abusia ewa
wey ene Ghana for ni bi adwen chile FN run semwa the interior minister example komeki you using Ghana to compare California in terms of calamities and disaster okoye e Ghana parliament no we ni semwa omo e ka chire no wo so bet ma chire wa adwen e de amame e comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra.